Hey guys, because Christmas is coming up, I'm gonna make another video today. Um, Basically, I do this for fun. So if you're looking to make tons of money, probably not listen to me. Um, Bitcoin, yeah, because it's popular. This thing has obviously two choices. Either we're gonna move all the way to March, or we are heading to at least 90, 60, and 40. And if we do not close above 99 for the month, then that's gonna happen. On the weekly, we're still not, we're still looking up. On the daily, likewise. We do have a turning point next week. So I'm gonna say it's gonna go up until next week, and it's at least it has to go up to 110. But if we fail to take out last week's high, or even worse, close below it, then that's it. I doubt we're gonna close below it, but you know, I have to throw my 2 cents in. So be careful. It's not ready to short, but get ready there. It looks like next month is a panic month. Usually in panic, we take the high and the low of the previous bar. So take out the high and the low, which sits quite well to the bear. Um, be careful. Uh, I would not buy to just hold this one, but I would not short it just yet. So I will throw in some numbers for the private group. You can see clearly there. All right.